Hills district. The Mega Health Insurance Scheme and Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana has identified CHC and PHC as the top performing based on their overall performance, utilization, and quality. At the CHC category, the best performing CHC in East Khasi Hills district is Mausan Ram CHC. And under the PHC category, the two best performing PHCs are Latlinkot PHC and Dengye PHC. I request the Honorable Chief Guest to kindly facilitate the awardees. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for Mausan Ram CHC, Latlinkot PHC, and Dengye PHC. The celebrations of Independence Day this year all over the country is restrained. The reason is obvious. The whole world confronts a deadly virus which has disrupted all activities and taken a huge toll. It has altered the world we lived in before the pandemic. The nation and our state is indebted to our doctors, nurses, and other health workers who have been continuously on the forefront in our fight against this virus. They are all our national heroes. All corona warriors deserve high praise. They go much beyond their call of duty to save lives and ensure essential services. The doctors, health workers, members of district management teams, police personnel, magistrates, sanitation workers, delivery staff, transportation, railway and aviation personnel, providers of various services, government employees, social service organizations, and generous citizens have been scripting inspiring stories of courage and selfless service. When cities and towns go quiet and roads are deserted, they work tirelessly to ensure that people are not deprived of healthcare and relief, water and electricity, transportation and communication facilities, milk and vegetables, food and groceries, medicines and other essentials. They risk their own lives to save our life and our livelihoods. To felicitate all the health workers and frontline workers of the state, I request our Honorable Chief Guest to kindly present the citation to Dr. R. Taryang, Dr. P. Manners, and Dr. Robert Marak, who will receive the citation on behalf of the community workers. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for all our frontline workers, community workers, who have given their utmost and continue to do so. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of the official program here at Polo Grounds. Kindly rise as our chief guest is now going to be escorted out of the parade ground. Thank you, one and all. Jai Hind.
It would be unfair if we failed to acknowledge the hard work and efforts put in by today's parade commander, Assistant Commandant N. Subhash Singh, Parade 2IC Inspector Rajen Bordoloy, Flagpole Escorts, the PWD Department, the Shillong Municipal Board, DIPR, Office of the District Medical and Health Officer, the Police Department, the buglers, VIP driver, spare driver, mechanic, parade stick orderly, the supply branch of DC's office, and each and every one involved in making today's program a success. Ladies and gentlemen, as part of this year's Independence Day celebrations, Police Bazaar Welfare Society will be distributing food packages today to the Shillong Municipal Board shelter homes, and the Rotary Club Shillong will be distributing food packages to the missionaries of charity institutions. We acknowledge with gratitude their contribution.